What is up guys, today we are going to be diving beneath the surface of the PlayStation DualShock 4 controller, trying to understand how everything is put together by looking at the mechanical fasteners. Without further ado, let's go. So firstly, we need to understand what is a mechanical fastener. This is a device that is used to mechanically join two or more objects together. They are divided into two subcategories. Non-permanent joints are joints that can be removed or dismantled without damaging the joining components. And permanent joints, which if required to be removed, causes damage to both the joining components as well as the joint itself. There are 6 types of joining methods found in the PlayStation controller. 1 is permanent and 5 are non-permanent fastening methods. Okay, so the first one we'll be looking at is called soldering. This permanent joining method uses a filler material with a lower melting point than the working material it intends to join. It is used in this instance to connect circuits within the controller. This ensures the conducting of electrical current and allows all electronic parts to carry out their function successfully. Moving on to non-permanent fastening methods, we look at snap-fit joints. The most common feature used in the fastening of plastic parts, the PlayStation controller makes use of 4 cantilever snap-fit beams. This type of fastening method keeps two parts in place with forces of the clips acting against each other. If enough force is placed on the clip, it gives way and may be opened and closed again as needed. The second non-permanent joining method we'll look at is a lip and groove feature. Commonly found on injection molded plastics, this serves the purpose of ensuring that the two corresponding parts fit perfectly together. The upper casing and lower casing of the controller have a lip and groove on opposite edges so that they may slot into one another perfectly. These have a very slight draft taper to allow for ease of assembly. Fastening method number 4 makes use of locating pins. This non-permanent fastening method makes use of tolerances with pins and corresponding holes to assist in keeping certain components in position. This ensures that the items are assembled in the correct orientation and keeps them locked in that position. The fifth and arguably most common type of fastening method found in the PlayStation controller is mechanical screws. The controller uses plastic threads and steel screws to fix circuit boards to the casing and to hold the two-part casing together. There are 7 screws in total, 4 hold the casing together and 3 lie within the controller. The sixth and final mechanical fastening method is foam tape. This serves the same function as normal tape as an adhesive, but within the controller serves a dual function in that it allows other parts to rest on top of it. The soft touch and thickness of the tape absorbs shock better than normal tape, therefore making it more suitable for being inside an electronic component with sensitive parts like the PlayStation controller. The assembly and disassembly of the PlayStation controller is relatively easy and can be done only using a screwdriver and a prying tool. It might be tricky if it's your first time. For me it was quite easy because I have taken apart controllers before because I wanted to customize some of mine and spray the casing. Including the casing, circuit boards, buttons and screws, there are only 35 major components in the PlayStation controller, making it very easy to keep track of stuff when disassembling. That is all for today's video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.